Hey, it's Garrett from Xemelgo. We've got some exciting new features to show you. You're familiar with our intuitive and easy to use UI, but let's talk about reports. Historically, if you wanted to get information in a dashboard, you had to pull information into Power BI or download an Excel, manipulate that data, and at best you were working with a static report, a moment in time, and someone had to go manually pull that data and report on it. What we're now able to do is actually build custom dashboards that are real-time off RFID data, so it's sensor data, it's accurate, there's no manual data entry to capture it, and provide that information to our clients based on whatever they need, and this is all configurable for them. Another thing that we're launching here at the show is Xemelgo AI, and what Xemelgo AI can do is pretty much anything. You can ask information in natural language about your operations, about your processes. So this one here, give me a breakdown of my inventory by part number in my warehouse location. This is my warehouse location right behind me, and these are the items that are actually in there. And so what Xemelgo AI is going to do is going to give a breakdown and create a real-time chart based on whatever I just asked it and populate here. And again, this is not a static report. This is something that was just generated here. Another thing to note is that this is actually air-gapped. We're not sending customer data up to a large language model. This is choosing the right query that's pinging our backend and returning this information. Some other things we can ask: how many cycle counts were completed in the past week? And this will return, see how many we did. 2. We did 2 cycle counts in the past week. So anyway, it's a nice, quick, easy way to go through and provide real-time insights right to your frontline team.